understanding tax structure for investing. In the dynamic world of equity investing, one parameter often remains underappreciated: a company's tax structure. Grasping the basics, the Indian tax landscape. At its core, India has a dual tax rate for companies. Domestic companies. Typically, these entities are laid a 30% corporate tax rate. Foreign entities. They are taxed a bit higher at 40%. However, don't be misled by these standard rates. The Indian government frequently introduces tax incentives tailored for specific industries or regions.
टैक्स पेयर्स के लिए इस फाइनेंशियल ईयर से एक खुशखबरी जरूर है। आपने तो सुना होगा कि अगर आप 7 लाख तक हर साल कमाते हैं तो आपको इस फाइनेंशियल ईयर से 0 टैक्स पे करना होगा।
Companies judicially use these to reduce their tax burden, optimizing their profits. So you would appreciate the fact if two companies make rupees 1 lakh, the Indian company would pay only rupees 30,000 tax and foreign company would pay rupees 40,000. So Indian companies have advantage for tax structure. So investors would have better EPS and in turn better stock price return. Second, recognizing the tax signals. If you were to consider tax payments as an indicator, then unusually low tax payments would be the equivalent of a red flag on a beach. Third, delving deeper. Reasons behind tax variation. Often these deviations have well-grounded reasons. Being aware of them aids in understanding a company's operations better. Special Economic Zones, SEZ. Think of these as privileged areas where companies enjoy tax benefits, somewhat like duty-free zones in international airports. Export incentives. When companies significantly boost international business, they might be rewarded with tax breaks. Tax-free bonds. Some bonds come with tax exemptions, acting as protective barriers against regular tax. Questions to frame your investment strategy. As you sift through these details, arm yourself with these critical questions. Sustainability. Will the company continually benefit from these tax breaks? Consistency. Are there anomalies or has the company's tax pattern been steady? Geographical tax distribution. How is tax spread across various operational areas? Future tax law adaptability. Can the company smoothly adjust to new tax regulations? Cash flow impact. How does their tax strategy influence their financial fluidity? Conclusion. Investing in equity is not just about instinct or following market trends. It's a calculated move where understanding nuances like a company's tax structure can provide invaluable insight.